Hello everyone, my name is Aiden, and today I'll be covering how to code a simple drawing using a turtle in Java. First things first, we need to create a new world. I called mine reach and set the parameters to 650 by 600. Next, we create the turtle and named it 6 and placed it within world reach. For this tutorial, I drew a simple pair of sunglasses, and I needed a thicker line than what's given by default. So to do that, I do my turtle name 6 dot set pen width parentheses 5. The integer 5 within the parentheses represents how many pixels the line will be taking up. So it's taking up 5 pixels, which is why it's a little thicker. So once 6 is generated, since I didn't specify where I want him to be within world reach, he'll be created within the middle of the world. And he'll leave a line wherever he goes. So to avoid any unnecessary lines in starting out, I do my turtle name 6.penUp. That way he's not leaving any lines when I move him. And to move him to a specific coordinate on the world, you do your turtle name, mine being 6.moveTo, and then you type in the x and y coordinates. I chose 325 by 150. So now you can start drawing whenever you want your turtle, or when your turtle is in the place you want it to be. So now you can do 6.penDown instead of 6.penUp. Now to turn your turtle, you can either do a 90-degree turn, either to the right or the left, by doing 6.turnRight, which will be 90 degrees to the right, or 6.turnLeft, which will be 90 degrees to the left. If you don't want to do 90 degrees and you want to do more or less, then you can just do the command 6.turn parentheses an integer, as in line 18. By default, that integer will turn 6 to the right. If you want to turn him left, then you need to add a negative to that, as in this negative 150. So he turns negative 100 or 150 degrees to the left. So now that we have our turning down, we can move to his movements. 6 can go forward by doing 6.forward parentheses an integer. Like in line 20, I chose 120. And that integer within the parentheses is the amount that he will move forward. Or instead of doing forward, you could do 6.backward an amount, and that'll move him backwards that amount. And with these simple commands, you can draw simple geometric shapes, as in these blocky sunglasses that I made.